We recently installed a UV system in a 30-year-old house. We had to remove some old AC copper lines out the way, but had a blank wall to mount on. This home only has 3 occupants, and flow tests showed the max flow rate would be 6 or 7 gallons of water per minute. This made the Arros 9 a good choice. Because the customers like to water their garden, we decided to go with a 20-inch filter to last longer between changes. First, we mounted the UV lamp and covered it to keep it clean. The cool thing about this model is that the Poly Protect shield blocks UV light, so the Arros can plumb directly to PEX or PVC piping. Next, we mounted the filter housing and got to work connecting the new pipes. Another cool feature is the sleeve and lamp are one unit. It locks into place very easy. No more fighting with O-rings, sleeves, lamps, and leaks. Once the system is installed, we got everything set up on the controller. We pressure tested for leaks and disinfected the house. This would kill any microbes already in the pipes. A quick cleanup of the job site and we're done. Now this home has the UV protection it deserves. If you're looking for that added layer of protection, water disinfection using UV treatment is a great choice. Call Wetwork today.